There are two tools that you will need to be successful. That's dedication and consistency. But see, you must be dedicated to being consistent and consistently dedicated to what you're doing. So you need to be dedicated to the craft, to the lifestyle, to the grind. You have to be dedicated. But in order to be dedicated, you have to be consistent and synonymous with whatever you're doing. So if you're trying to be successful, no matter what it may be, whether it's relationships, life, your business, your family, you gotta be consistent. You gotta come in and do what needs to be done. You have to be dedicated to the things that need to be done. So in order to reach those higher places, you have to